You know what? It's autumn, and I'm really not a fan of autumn. I don't like autumn. I've never liked autumn. And I know a lot of other people don't like autumn, but sometimes you just find little wins that really kind of lift your mood this time of year and just make autumn that bit more bearable. One of those little wins is hamamelis or witch hazel, the shrub in front of me here. Really incredibly bright, glorious autumn colours, and all the autumn colours in one leaf: reds, oranges, yellows. They look absolutely amazing when you see the sun shining through them like they are at the moment, really illuminated. And another good thing about this shrub is that even once the leaves have fallen off, it flowers during the winter with really fabulous sweet fragrance and very unusual little yellow flowers that just come out all the way up and down the stems. So it is autumn, but sometimes you can find little wins that just make it more bearable. Cladrastis kentuckia, or American yellowwood, is another fantastic shrub, or tree I should say, that has gorgeous, gorgeous bright yellow colour in the autumn. It's a really windy day today, so we had to get onto this one a bit quick, so in a few days it'll be gone. But while it's been showing this incredible colour, it's been absolutely amazing. You can see now as the sun's come out, as it shines through the back of the leaves, a really uplifting bright yellow shrub or tree, depending whether you prune it or let it grow into a huge tree. But just imagine a large tree of this with the sun backlighting it against the blue sky on an autumn day. That would look glorious, wouldn't it? A real huge finale before it falls silent for the winter. But it does flower as well in the summer with lovely racemes of yellow flower. So it's a good all-rounder, this one, Cladrastis kentuckia. Another good little collection here is this really, really lovely Acer and this begonia, and bang on cue, the sun's come out. So you can just see, look at the reds and the colours through those autumn leaves on these begonias before they finally collapse and die off for the winter. I didn't plan this. I'm going to be really honest. I didn't plan this. It's just one of those little lucky little wins that just happens from time to time. And it just so happens that this Acer and this begonia are colouring up at just the right time. And with this autumn sunshine like we've got now, just creates a really, really lovely little spectacle again before these go silent for the winter. Peaches are really, really yummy to eat, as you know. I mean, who doesn't love a gorgeous sweet peach? But they've got yummy foliage as well. This peach is turning a real fabulous orange, red, kind of really deep, deep hues of autumn colour. And it's really great, isn't it, that even though it's fruited and we enjoyed the fruit, now we can enjoy the fabulous autumn colours. And then, of course, in the spring, you get the incredible peach blossom. So another little win, really, just in this peach tree. Chrysanthemum Dixter orange. It's late October. Look how beautiful this is though. Bright orangey colours, marmalade kind of colours. And this is going to flower for another 2 or 3 weeks yet. So a fantastic little win in the autumn in the herbaceous border. Miscanthus sinensis, a fantastic grass that's really going out in a blaze of glory. Oranges, reds, yellows, looking really dramatic as autumn moves on, and lovely fluffy flower heads as well. This is a grass definitely worth growing. It looks amazing in the summer, also absolutely fantastic in the autumn, and you can leave this to look like this all the way through the winter till next spring when you need to cut it down to about 6 or 7 inches. Euphorbia, Miner's Merlot, is one of my most favourite euphorbias. This deep chocolatey coloured foliage and gorgeous little lime green flowers. And you know what, the little win here is, normally these are in the spring, but we've actually got some of these stunning lime green flowers contrasting against this chocolate foliage even right now towards the end of October. So even my little euphorbia has given me a little win this autumn, and it's a real pick-me-up. Look at this stunning purple Michaelmas daisy or aster in the autumn sunshine. That deep, deep purple, lovely yellow stamens in the centre. Isn't that a real joy? That's definitely a little win, isn't it, this time of year? And you know what? It's going to keep looking this good for another 2 or 3 weeks. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Ericium Bowles Mauve. This is more than a little win, this is a big win. You know what? This is one of the longest flowering perennials, or strictly kind of biennials, that I know of. I've actually seen this flower for 10 months of the year, even in winter time. And again, late October, looking stunning and smelling stunning.